by Brian's Fencing. I'm Noel, and I'm going to show you how to do a strip grazing fence with a single wire, actually a single tape on a 200 metre roll. It's off. I'm going to use a pigtail treading, strainer insulator of course, and again using strainer insulators you're going to need a little bit of accessories like wire and pliers. Don't forget the safety of course, glasses and gloves. Going to put a little battery energizer on it again, little 15k model, ideal for this situation. First stake of course you need for the energizer, and for safety wise always a warning sign. First thing we're going to do, we're going to do a strip grazing fence across the paddock here. We're going to tie off an end insulator here on the post to wire out the way. It's quite soft wire, so it won't actually break. It's high tensile wire, but for what we're doing here, cut them off. So we can actually see there's our strainer point. Okay, now we'll start laying out our posts. Start treading with a metal foot. Just whack them in. Spacings are going about 5 metres. That's nice. Before you take it out further if you'd like to. Okay, so I'm just going to tie off here on our end insulator.